Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are fine, healthy, and safe at your home. This is your teacher Faryal Amjad, and it's our 13th lecture. Today we will discuss about angles. Reference countdown page 122 to 126. Kindly open your book. Your book should be open in front of you. So, what is angle? In geometry, an angle is defined as the figure formed by two rays meeting at a common endpoint. An angle is defined as the figure formed by two rays meeting at a common endpoint. Look at this figure. We have two rays OA and OB. We have two rays OA and OB. These two rays meet at a common endpoint, that is O. So this is the angle AOP. An angle is represented by the symbol this angle. Angles are measured in degree using a protractor. Okay, student, we will always measure angle in degree by using a protractor. Types of angle. Today we will discuss 5 types of angles: right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, and reflex angle. First, we will discuss about right angle. The angle which is equal to 90 degree, an angle which is equal to 90 degree is called right angle. Angle which is equal to 90 degree is called right angle. 1/4 of a full revolution is called right angle. And you know what is a full revolution? It is equal to 360 degree. So 1/4 of 360 is 90. So angle which is equal to 90 degree is called right angle. An angle which is less than 90 degree. An angle which is less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Acute means small. Okay, student? What is acute mean? Acute means small. An acute angle is an angle which is less than 90 degree. And the range of acute angle is between 0 and 90 degree. Look at this. This is an example of acute angle. This is angle ABC, which is equal to 30 degree, as 30 degree is less than 90 degree. So this is an acute angle. Okay. What is right angle? Angle which is equal to 90 degree. And what is acute angle? Angle which is less than 90 degree. That angle is called acute angle. After acute angle, we will discuss about obtuse angle. Okay. An angle which is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, that angle is called obtuse angle. Angle which is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, that angle is called obtuse angle. Okay. And obtuse angle is always greater than acute angle. Look at this. This is example of angle which is 135 degree, as 135 is greater than 90 degree. So this is an obtuse angle. Okay. Angle which is equal to 90 degree, that angle is called right angle. And angle which is less than 90 degree, that angle is called acute angle. And angle which is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, that angle is called obtuse angle. Straight angle. A straight angle is equal to 180 degree and it's look like a straight line. Okay. What is a straight angle? Straight angle is angle which is 180 degree and it's look like a straight line. Look at this. This is an example of straight angle. It is equal to 180 degree and it's look like a straight line. So straight angle is an angle which is equal to 180 degree. Okay. And straight angle look like a straight line. Next one is reflex angle. So what is reflex angle? Student, the angle which is the angle which is larger than 180 but less than 360, that angle is called reflex angle. The angle which is larger than 180 and less than 360, that angle is called reflex angle. But there is a question, how we will draw reflex angle or how we will measure reflex angle? Because reflex angle is more than 180 degree. Reflex angle is more than 180 degree. So how we will draw reflex angle or how we will measure reflex angle? Because on protector we are only having degree from 0 to 180. प्रोटेक्टर पे आप देखें तो हमारे पास सिर्फ 0 से 180 तक डिग्री है. सो हाउ वी विल ड्रॉ रिफ्लेक्स एंगल? इट इज ग्रेटर देन 180 एंड लेस देन 360. So student, when we have to draw reflex angle, what we do? We will subtract the given reflex angle from 360. Okay student? When we have to draw reflex angle, we will subtract given angle from 360 and then we draw the acute or obtuse angle. जब आप subtract करेंगे given angle from 360, we will get any obtuse or acute angle. So we will draw that particular angle and the remaining angle is called reflexive angle. In this case, we have a reflex angle of 311 degree. So how we will draw these reflex angle? We will subtract 311 from 360. Our answer is 49. So we will draw 49. We will draw 49 and the outer angle is called reflex angle, which is 311 and it is greater than 180. It is greater than 180 but less than 360. And similarly, when we have to measure reflex angle, we will measure given acute or obtuse angle and then we will subtract our answer from 360 for reflex angle. Okay student, it's time to say Allah Hafiz. Inshallah, see you later. Take care.